Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Lizzie here. If you're new, hi, you are welcome. I'm a lifestyle and motherhood content creator. Right, let's get right into it. So, as you guys are well aware by now, I am expecting baby number 2, and I decided, as you can tell, I'm also getting into the Christmas spirit. I'm not really feeling it just because, you know, due date is so close to Christmas and everything, but I'm making the most of it. I'm getting myself into the spirit and everything, because that's all you can do, really. You know, you get what I mean? You got to get yourself into the mood. Anyway, so Christmas jumpers out. Right guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you what's in my hospital bag, and baby's hospital bag. I'll probably start with baby's bag because that's fully done, whereas for me, I'm still sort of like, you know, putting bits and bobs inside and all of that. But anyways, let's start with baby's bag. I actually got this bag from Amazon a while ago, like at the beginning of the year in February, when we wanted to go to Scotland and we needed a compact bag to travel. So I got it and it fits loads of stuff in there, and it's not heavy, it's easy to grab and everything. Right, so you might see me start to have a drink of water. Pregnancy. So yeah. So off the bat, the first things first, baby blanket. And this baby blanket is honestly, it feels so soft and it's so fluffy, and I can't wait because baby girl is going to be so cozy in it. It was a gift from my workplace, from my work colleagues. When it was my last day, they surprised me, and honestly, like lunchtime, while we're all on lunch, and literally they came in and they were like, here you go. They gave me like a baby basket, like, and they put stuff inside like a basket, like with baby stuff and all of that. It was just, yeah, I was emotional. But yeah, so we've got a blanket. Obviously it's needed, it's winter, and we've got a winter suit for baby. It's just so cute. Look at that, like I can't wait to see her in it. But yeah, got this, which is also needed because, you know, winter. And then I've got a slightly lighter blanket, just because in case if the hospital is really hot, with the heating and everything. So I just have a lighter blanket just to take with me, because you just never know. It could be really hot or it could be cold. So just to prepare for whatever circumstances. And then I've got a sleep bag, a baby sleep bag. And we've got nappies, we've got newborn nappies. I opened them because I wanted to see the size. I mean, it's a size 1, obviously it's newborn, but I wanted to remind myself how small, how little the nappy was, and my goodness, it's very tiny. And I was like, oh my god, my daughter was wearing this when she was born and now I'm doing it all over again. But yeah, we've got some nappies. I'm gonna take the whole pack, just that way I'm prepared for whatever. I doubt I will need the old pack, but at the end of the day, babies do, you know, poo a lot, wee a lot. So we've got the whole pack. 24 is in there. Now we're gonna get onto the clothes. So there's 5 outfits in here. I've put them in this bag and I've labeled them and stuff. So there's 5 outfits, just so it's easier for like my husband to, you know, locate the stuff. So we've got 5 outfits. Just, you know, pretty simple outfits, to be honest. A lot of them are long sleeve because, you know, winter and all of that, so we've got to make sure baby keeps warm. So we've got this, and then you've got the long sleeve top that's going to go inside. But yeah, I can't wait. I feel I'm prepared. We've got another one here. This is a short, this is you've got leggings. This is super small. Like, I'm like, wow, it's gonna be a little tiny human in there. Like, look at that. But yeah, trousers, and then you've got the top, the matching top that goes with it. It is short sleeve, however, I've got some long sleeve bodysuit that baby is gonna be like wearing underneath, so that's fine. So you've got another matching outfit here with the little trousers. So you've got the trousers and then the top, long sleeve again, because you know it's winter, we're trying to keep baby warm. You know, it's very different from when I had my firstborn Brielle. You know, it was summer, it was in the middle of July, and now this is literally bang on in the winter, literally December. So I mean, can't get any colder than that. And then you've got this. I remember Brielle wearing this when she was little, and like in the hospital, I kept it, and yeah, I'm pleased that I kept it, even though obviously, you know, we were like, when we have our next one, let's see what gender it is. And it's another little girl, so baby girl gets to wear this. And I get to do like a little comparison of when Brielle was wearing it, when baby's wearing it. But anyways, also got this. This might be like a possible going home outfit, I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, got that. So yeah, let me just put them back, because I want to make sure I put the bags, I put them back, and I want to make sure the bag is completely organized. So I'm just going to quickly put them back. Anybody else, you know, pregnant during this time, and you know, having a baby during this time, let me know in the comments how you getting on, how you feeling. Yeah, let me know. In this bag I've got hats and etc., socks, bibs, cardigans and all of that. I'll show you like the cardigans and stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much what's in here. You've got hats, you've got bibs, I've got 2 cardigans. Like, look how cute that is. Handmade, not by me, but yes, they're very cute. So you've got 2 of them, so to keep baby warm again. And then socks, hats, bibs, you know, and all of that. So that's what's in this bag. Nothing too fancy, but yeah, I just wanted to put them in a bag, like I said, so that it's easy for Henry to, you know, pick them out. Right, and then we've got baby, we've got bodysuits in here. Again, we've got 5 bodysuits, so I did everything 5, like the outfits and the bodysuits and stuff. If I need more, if for any reason I need more, Henry can always come home and grab them for me. But yeah, we've got baby suit in there, bodysuit in there, you know, newborn, 0 to 3 months, you know, different sizes just to be on the safe side, long sleeve, short sleeve, and all of that. But yeah, that's what's in this little bag here. There's one more bag, the baby in this bag. We've got, and then here we've got sleep suits. So for the sleep suits, we've got 4. I'm most likely going to add 1 more just so everything can be 5. But for now, we've got 4 in here. We've got a thick sleep suit, winter, and then we've got this as well, and different sizes, like I said, newborn, 0 to 3 months, just because, you know, we don't know what baby's gonna weigh, and we just want to be prepared. Don't want to take all newborn stuff and then baby's a bit too big for newborn. But yes, that's what's there. But yeah, I'll probably add one more to this. So let me put it back. I don't plan to be in the hospital for more than one night, but you know, I'm giving it all to God. At the end of the day with Brielle, I didn't plan for more than one night and ended up staying there for 4 nights. But you know, and then we've got some mittens here. But yes, I'm gonna put them back. Another thing that I have for baby that I've not put in there is pacifiers. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it right off the bat. This is for 0 to 2 months, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it right off the bat. I did use pacifiers with Brielle, but it wasn't until she had like really latched on, and you know, we had a flow going and groove going, because I don't want her to get confused. So it might not be immediately that, you know, baby girl might also have a pacifier, and she might end up not having a pacifier, but I just got some just to be on the safe side. But I'm gonna put them in the bag, just so you know we're prepared. But like I said, it probably won't be immediate that I put it on her, that I give them to her. She probably won't have them immediately, like when she's born or all of that. She probably won't have it until a few weeks later, or a few months, maybe a month later. So for my bag, it's not really fully complete yet, but I've got majority of the stuff that I need in there. So I've got toiletries in here, lotion, toothbrush, toothpaste, lotion, you know, shower gel, all of that. We've got some socks, some dress, long dress, you know, some long dresses, some jumpers, leggings, night dress, and all of that. And then for here, we've got disposable maternity pants, 5 of them. Might use them, might not use them. To be fair, last time with Brielle, I took some, and I think I only used maybe 2 of them. I didn't really get on with them that much, to be honest, but I decided to give them another try, and I got just 1 pack. And then obviously, like the always, if you go back to the one I had, my hospital bag from last year, not from last year, from 2 years ago, you'll see that I had the always version of this pants, basically adult diapers, basically, I guess. But yeah, pants, I did have them. I had the always version in black, and honestly, they were good. I love them. I like them. I like the way they were absorbent and everything. So I got this one from, I think it's Aldi. So I decided to give this Aldi pack a try, and there's 8 in there, and I think 8 should be more than enough for while I'm in hospital, and obviously I've got some at home. But yes, got them as well. I've got some flip-flops, because you know, you need them, you can't go wrong with them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I've got my toiletries and everything. I can't think, I've got, this was gifted to me by my cousins, breast pads, nano baby nursing pads and everything. So I need to take some out and put them in my bag. They've actually got 40 daytime pads in there and 20 nighttime pads in there, just so you're not leaking everywhere, basically. So I need to take some out and put them in my bag. But yeah, with my bag, I think I just need to add a bit more loungewear. I want to get a lounge set, you know, long trousers, long sleeve. I'm waiting for them. I want to get them, so I'm gonna get them in the next couple of days, add them in here. But you know, because it's such a different time, it's not summer, it's winter, it's really hard to, like, I can't really pack what I packed with Brielle, like, you know, free, you know, airy material, and stuff like that. You got to keep warm, got to keep cozy and stuff. I've still got some airy bits in here, but you get what I mean. You just have to make sure you're keeping warm due to the weather, because we don't want to come down with a cold or anything. But yeah, so I just need, to be fair, I think I am fully set. I just want to get like a few loungewears and just a few bits and bobs just to add in there, to be honest. I think more leggings. I've got like 2 leggings in here, but I think I'm gonna add like a third one and then a lounge set, and I think I'm set. But apart from that, I think my hospital bag is pretty much set, to be honest. I'm sure there's some things that I probably had in my first one with Brielle that it's not in this one. I'll probably make a separate video after like baby and everything of like what I actually used, and you know, the difference between this one and my first hospital bag, because I'm sure there's some stuff that I probably did not use in my first one. Not that I think there were some stuff that I did not use, but yeah, so I wouldn't have packed them because I didn't use them. Like I said, didn't really use this the last time. The only reason I'm taking it is just to be prepared, just in case if, you know, I decide I like them this time around, and yeah, it's better to be prepared than not to be. But yeah, that's pretty much my bag, and baby's bag and everything, all done and dusted. Yeah, let me know, like I said, if you're pregnant and you're expecting baby around this time of year. Let me know what you've got in your hospital bag. I will put in the description below all the things that I have, you know, included in hospital and all of that. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, do give it a thumbs up, and if you've not done so already, please do make sure to subscribe and support my channel and support my content. Yeah, I shall see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye.